Welcome to Lilly Love Braid's Playhouse. Ooh, looks like it's lunchtime for Kitty. Time for a Kitty Deluxe meal. Now, would you like fries with that? Let's just hope you saved room for dessert. It's a special surprise. What the? An evil potion? I was thinking more like sherbet. I think someone needs a timeout for now. Looks like we need to find the 7 hearts to break the spell. First, why don't we take a look in Zootopia? Ugh, talk about a sticky situation. A little trip to the salon should fix things. Either way, let's just be happy they take walk-ins. Or maybe not. Well, on today's episode of The Bald and the Beautiful, a little gumball could cheer you up, but it's not for chewing. Get a hole-in-one and you win a pixie cut. I guess you need to level up for each braid. Just a few more. We're not trying out for Rapunzel. That should be good. Why not one more? We accept cash tips, but a heart will do just fine too. Looks like our next trip's gonna be Sprunky Land. Uh-oh, unwanted dye jobs. Won't somebody think of the roots? Well, it's nothing that a little agriculture can't fix. Just plant some seeds and a solution will bloom. Don't forget to water the plants. Not too much now. Look at all these fruits and vegetables. Now that's fast food. What? Didn't you know fresh food comes with benefits? Brings new meaning to the whole superfood thing. Okay, everyone pick a color and eat the right produce. Eat the wrong thing? Just get back on track. Guess watermelon's not pink enough for Pinky. It's never too early for a little pumpkin spice. And remember, good food means a happy heart. Uh-oh, Rory Redcape's campout isn't going as planned. We gotta act quick before this turns into a barbecue. Maybe we could look out for some clues. What's behind this rock? Oh, never mind, it's just a shoe. Wait, look over there. It looks like some type of phone from ancient times, the 1990s. Hey, a fire extinguisher. Sure is a lot of red stuff. Guess it goes with the cake. Let's get you somewhere where you can cool off. Out of the frying pan and into the, well, water. Does anyone else have a craving for sushi? Oh no! Well, at least you're ready for Halloween. Don't worry, we've got the finest doctors in Videoland. They'll fix you up and validate your parking. It's always important to help your friends save face. I think Little Red Riding Boy needs a quick shock to his system. Okay, Static Cling, it's time to do your thing. Aw, you're all heart, kid. Oh no, there's a kitty down the grate. You know, I'm starting to think I'm a dog person. Fortunately, our handy-dandy knapsack's here to help. Which item can help? Well, cats like fish, I think. Wow, he seems to like it. but he's still hangry. Okay, maybe we could try something else. That's it! Grab the TP and a little paste. Nothing like a craft to save the day. It's kind of like paper mache. Just add some plastic wrap. Almost done. We've made a little stress ball. Give it a good squeeze. Yeah, something tells me this kitty cat's gonna sleep good tonight. Aw, maybe we're cat people after all. It's breakfast time. Or brunch. Anyway, let's get cracking. Well, eggs that is. So, scrambled or sunny side up? A wanted poster? For Roomy? Let's try the other egg. Well, that's a real egg. And that's an old-fashioned VHS tape from the 90s. Whoever's behind this must be a history buff. Ooh, look, a magic mallet! Who knew tapes were so interactive? Looks like an old computer game, sort of a virtual whack-a-mole. Guess we don't have much of a future in pest control. Just steady your aim. See, that's how you do it. We won! And we've got our next clue. WC? Wonder Cow? Wait, no, it's the water closet. That's bathroom for the rest of us. I've never noticed how popular purple braids were. Sorry, but you might start feeling flushed. Third time's the charm. It's our old pal Roomy. Hey, did that wanted poster mention a reward? A nap sounds good, but it's time to get up, Sleeping Beauty. Hold on, we just need to set our little alarm watch. Bingo! That's right, it's time to greet the day. And nothing helps like a fresh new outfit. You can't wear your house slippers outside, so how about some socks and purple Mary Janes? Next, you need to be nice and clean. Let's start by brushing those pearly whites. And we should really comb those purple locks. Nice and smooth, but we need to keep things on brand. I mean, love braids are literally in her name. She has a reputation to maintain after all. We're rolling in hearts now, but we can only use one. Aw, looks like crafty corns down in the dumps. In more ways than one. Don't cry, we'll go shopping for you. From this list, I gather we're making milkshakes? This place really makes you work for ingredients. No wonder people order groceries online these days. I mean, if we really are making milkshakes, maybe we should just go to the ice cream parlor. Well, at least this place has a self-checkout. Just be careful. These lanes don't always take cash. But this one does, apparently. Much appreciated. So we are making milkshakes. Can I call it or what? Let's hope our unicorn friend likes the peels. Add some milk and don't forget the lid. Voila! Now grab a glass for crafty corn. What? We ran out of bendy straws. No matter, whipped cream makes everything fancy. Crafty corns always got love to share. Now the power of love will set our kitty cat free. Aw, what a happy reunion. Love always wins. Here's a special treat, Roomie. It's Lilly Love Braids. And she's brought you a special purple burger. Just be careful. After all, you are what you eat. I guess you can never have too many braids? Of course, all the best meals come with toys. Look, we've made a brand new Sprunky friend. It looks like we can personalize this one. And it even comes complete with extensions. Oh wow, she's not a paper doll anymore. Sand art's the perfect craft for you and your new mini-me. Looks like there's an ocean theme, 'cause she's stepping on the beach. Really putting your foot in it. Don't worry, glue can fix anything. Especially when we throw on some glitter. Just give it time to congeal, and you've got a new accessory. Wipe off the sand. Careful, leave the glitter. Either way, it's really fun to give it a stretch. Make one in each color if you have enough glue. Just make sure to keep things at a low level. Otherwise, you might cause a sticky situation.
Oh.
Whoa! This must be where braids come from.
Wow.
Try picking it. What? Is it too ripe? Well, we can dig it. A shovel's great, but this looks like a job for a brush. You know, some things are better off left buried. I stand corrected. Talk about buried treasure. All that glitters is not gold. Sometimes it's just glitter. Even better, we should collect this stuff for a glitter emergency. And look at all this slime that's still left over. It's got all sorts of cool stuff just swimming in it. Don't worry, Mr. Bones. We'll have you looking your best. Just you wait. You'll be Halloween ready in no time.
Wow.
Well, somebody sure is cranky today. Maybe you should just go back to sleep. Bubblegum, did you bring enough for the whole class? Oh, you did. Well, what you waiting for? Give it a squeeze. Looks like toothpaste. I wonder if it tastes like mint. Careful! Oh, did you get it in your hair? I'll get the peanut butter. In the meantime, why not use all of this pink goop for our next craft? Whenever you've got creator's block, just think pink. After all, you can make a cute little pig. If you've got enough flavors, you can whip up a whole zoo. And our new animal buddy sure can take a punch. But don't worry, these guys always bounce back. A carton of eggs? You want breakfast, Lily? Oh wait, it's a bunch of 3D toys. Sure, it looks like an egg, until you do this. It's like a spiral, back and forth, back and forth. But watch what happens when you flatten it. I've heard of beating eggs, but never like this. It's like a spinning circus tent. Round and round it goes. Of course, it's not our only 3D friend. Just ask that octopus on top of your head. You know, pencil toppers have really come a long way. Ooh, Lily needs help with her special safe. Something tells me you don't know the code either. Hold on, I think there's a clue on the back. Are you good at math? Anyone got a calculator? Well then, we'll just make one! Don't forget, it always helps to put a nice face on things. And I see someone's got hair to spare. Seems simple enough. Just type in the equations. I was wondering how the answer would show. Okay, we're almost done. Just got one last equation. You got that? Okay, just type it in and twist that dial. I wonder what's inside. Ooh, a doll with joints. Uh-oh, I sense a bit of a rivalry here. Don't worry, girl, we've got your back. We've got the perfect place for you to fight things out. Oh, I can't watch, yet I can't look away. Ooh, popcorn. And it's a victory for Lily Love Braids. Someone could sure use an alarm. But for now, why don't we just whip up a watch?
Huh?
Let's just hope that wasn't permanent ink. Still, a good idea is a good idea. Why don't we whip up a watch of our very own? Or something even more fun, right at your wrist. We'll make our very own rainbow sketch pad. Of course, it'll be one with a personal touch. Don't forget to add a strap. Make sure it fits. Grab a cotton swab and let the creative juices flow. Mini-Me's got a surprise for you. What is it? What is it? Magic potion? Lemon extract? Oh, I see. It's a special bathroom cleaner. But something tells me that it wants to clean up the whole bathroom. Well, there she blows. You got a little something. Even if you like slime, I think it's time we start cleaning up.
Okay.
Don't worry, we've got Dolly's Dream Cleaning Kit. Complete with a mop, brush. Got any steel wool? Dolls can have all sorts of jobs these days. And janitoring is a job, a really important one too. Okay, we took out the trash. Now for the main seat. No washroom's complete without a rubber ducky. Hey, there's something special. Wash it off. It looks like a jewel. It is! It is a jewel! Now that's what I call a tip.